Introducing the 2022 Cupra Formentor 2.0tdi 150 horsepower, 5-door in sleek grey. This estate beauty is packed with comfort and convenience features like air conditioning, satellite navigation, and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Safety is a top priority with ABS, lane departure warning, and collision avoidance braking included. The stylish exterior boasts privacy glass, roof rails, and door sill protectors. Beneath the hood, you'll find a powerful 2-litre diesel engine and a manual transmission for a smooth ride. Rest assured, this vehicle has undergone a full multi-point health and safety check, is serviced to manufacturer specification, and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out on this exceptional opportunity. Call us now or visit michaelmoore.ie for more information on how you can drive away in the luxurious Cupra Formentor today.